Hebei Black Gold Metal Products Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of fence products. Our company's management team have over 25 years of producing experience, mostly sale workers with more than 10 years export experience. Our main products are single-wire mesh fence, double-wire mesh fence, anti-climb fence, HESCO barrier, temporary fence, chain link fence, gabion box, etc. Our mission is quality first, customer first, reputation above all. All the products should be tested before loading. Only the qualified products can be delivered to the customers. You can contact us no matter large or small order. We will do everything possible to offer good service before and after sale.